Hey, what's happening, guys? Do you need a new backsplash? When we moved in our house, there was no backsplash back here. It was just the standard painted walls. I'm going to show you how you can install your own backsplash just like this and save money. So this is a peel and stick marble. Let's get an up close look here. You can see it's little pieces of actual marble. There's some places that make it that's fake marble, but why would you want to do that? This is not that much more expensive. Comes in these sheets like this. See right here, when you start to peel it off, it's this sticky film on the back. You just peel that off. You're able to just put it right up there, press on it, and it sticks right away. You could see here how I installed this on the side, back here in the back. Brought it around the stove. In the back corner here. Even here behind the sink. I was able to cut it right around the windowsill here. Just like that. Even did this little piece back here behind the coffee maker. So if you're looking at these tiles for a backsplash, I think they came out looking pretty good. Again, these are all peel and stick. Actual marble. Not that difficult. Came out looking great. So if you're looking to redo your backsplash in your kitchen, your bathroom, around your bar area, these peel and stick mosaic marble backsplash pieces are an excellent choice.